Tanura.
Washo ni rusho.
Ah. Rakawi.
Kalian kalian orang betul jadi.
Yes, bhai bhi ho gaya. Chota kar. The plastering is being complete on this side. The plastering is getting finished on the back of the ghetto wall. Now we started to do our zero chips. That's for waterproofing. The same thing that we did on our septic tank.
बस इतना ठीक है जितना मैंने छोड़ दिया
आपका ठीक है इसका ज़्यादा देखो फुट से ज़्यादा 1.5 फुट देखो ना इधर
वो मैं कर दूंगा
हाँ ये घोड़ी पड़ा
This is the first coat for our chemical treatment to waterproof the basement. It's the same method that we did in the septic tank.
मालिक आ गया
होश है शीता में मैं मुझसे चालू
The first coat is pretty much done now. We're just making sure we do the tops of these properly, just to get it fully covered. And then we're going to leave it for a day to dry and then do our second coat. So our waterproofing is complete now. We've done 2 coats of the chemical treatment.